Introducing watchOS 26, Apple Notes on your wrist. Apple has just released watchOS 26, the latest major software update for Apple Watch, and it's a game-changer for note-takers. One of the most exciting new features is the introduction of Apple Notes to your wrist, making it the first time you can access this powerful app directly on your Apple Watch. A note-taking powerhouse on your wrist. Apple Notes has come a long way since its early days as a basic iPhone app. Over the years, it has evolved into a feature-rich note-taking powerhouse, offering a wide range of tools and capabilities. Now, with watchOS 26, you can access this functionality right on your wrist, making it even more convenient to capture your thoughts and ideas on the go. 2 essential features on your watch. The Apple Notes app in watchOS 26 provides 2 essential note-taking features. Create new notes. Quickly jot down a thought or idea without leaving your current activity. This is perfect for those spontaneous moments when inspiration strikes. View existing notes. Access and review your existing notes, making it easy to revisit important information or ideas. While the feature set may not match the full capabilities of the Apple Notes app on other platforms, the essential functions are tailored for the watch, ensuring a seamless and efficient note-taking experience. Siri integration for instant note creation. The integration of Apple Notes with Siri is a game-changer. Now, you can ask Siri to create new notes on your Apple Watch without even opening the app. This is especially useful when you're on the move and need to capture a thought quickly. Just say, "Hey Siri, create a note," and it will be ready for you to review later. Have you tried it yet? Have you started using Apple Notes on your Apple Watch with watchOS 26? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how this new feature is enhancing your daily note-taking routine. Enhance your Apple Watch experience. To further enhance your Apple Watch, consider these accessories. AirPods Pro 3 for seamless audio experiences. Portable USB-C charger for convenient charging on the go. Retro Mac stand for Apple Watch nightstand mode. Anchor 20W USB-C charging brick for fast charging. Metal adjustable link Apple Watch band for a customizable fit. Stay tuned for more Apple Watch tips and tricks, and don't forget to add 9 to 5 Mac to your Google News feed for the latest updates. FTC, we may earn a commission from affiliate links. Read more about our affiliate disclosure.